Hi everyone, it's Lin again from Lin My Simple Way. If you love Vietnamese food, then you gotta love pho, the beef noodle soup. It's one of the most tastiest, full of flavor dish in Vietnamese cuisine. And this is my simple recipe for cooking it. Let me know how you go. Let's get started. To make pho, we need 2 kg of beef bones, 1 kg of beef brisket, approximately half a kilogram of eye fillet thin sliced, and around 300 grams of pre-cooked beef tendon. Then we need 2 onions, a little bit of ginger, some shallots, bit of the Thai basil, soy leaf, some coriander, and of course some bean sprouts. Then your lime. For the broth, we need 1 bag of oriental beef spices. You can buy these from the Asian grocery, especially the Vietnamese grocery. Alternatively, you can use pho hoa, Pasteur, oriental spices. We need 2.5 tablespoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of chicken powder, around 60 grams of rock sugar, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Then we need some flat rice noodles. For extra, you can eat these with hoisin sauce and of course sriracha hot chili sauce. Okay, first of all, we place the beef bones inside our pot. Then add the beef brisket. Next, we add around 3.5 liters of water. Place the pot onto your stove and bring it to the boil. In the meanwhile, peel your onion, peel and slice the ginger, pop it in the oven and grill for around 7 minutes. When your broth is boiled, take all the froth out until the water is clear. During this process, just make sure that you take the froth out until everything is clear, the broth is clear. Add another 2 liters of water. Then add your onions, your grilled onions, and grilled ginger. Next, add your oriental beef spice and bring it to boil for around 5-10 minutes. Keep on taking the froth out. Reduce heat. Add your rock sugar then your chicken powder, and then your salt. Keep it simmering for around 2.5 hours. Your coriander, your soy leaf need to be finely chopped. And Thai basil, bean sprouts need to be washed, ready for garnishment. Back to the broth. After simmering for around 2.5 hours, you can start adding the beef tendon and simmer for another hour. Remember, keep on adding water if your broth is getting low. For the rice noodles, we just need to pour some hot boiled water over it and drain well. Now that your broth has been cooked for around 3.5 hours, you can take the beef tendon out, cut it into cubes, also take the beef brisket out, and then slice it into thin strips. Your beef brisket should be tender, so you know it is cooked right. Place some noodles into a bowl, then add your beef brisket, add a little bit of the sliced eye fillet, and then some beef tendon. Then, of course, cover everything with the hot boiled broth. Garnish with the coriander, the soy leaf, some bean sprouts, and the Thai basil. Squeeze a thin wedge of lemon or lime over, and add a little bit of chili sauce and hoisin sauce. Also, if you want spicy, then you can add a little bit of fresh chili. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. See you next time.